According to UNICEF, the Philippines must recover learning losses from the COVID-19 pandemic and other disasters that hit the country. As learning loss becomes worse more than 2 years after the implementation of distance learning, children must now brace themselves for the long-term individual, social, and economic possible consequences that pose a critical threat to their development and, by extension, the development of the country. The sudden shift to remote learning exacerbated the already alarming educational situation, depriving students of the knowledge and abilities intended for their age.
Jana, alam mo ba yung part dito? Hindi ko magets. Hala, ako rin. Wait, tanong kaya natin sa Jam if alam niya.
Ay nako, nag-search na nga rin ako sa Google, hindi ko rin magets.
Hulaan ko na lang to.
Students missed out on some significant age-appropriate essential elements. They will spend several years trying to catch up on these basic building blocks. However, if they don't keep up, they'll be forever behind in their learning.
Huy Jenna, di ba nagtatanong ka nung nakaraan about sa accounting? May nakita kong page na reliable at napagkukuha na natin information na may gets talaga natin. Ito, send ko yung link.
Hoy, sige nga. Sure ka dyan ha, send mo.
Meron din silang influencer na nire-recommend dun. Yung The Millennial Accountant. Tinan mo din yung TikTok account niya.
Hala, sige, thank you.
After discovering more about the previously stated losses, we crafted this project to at least help fill those gaps and losses that students have experienced. This project will assist them in catching up because there is a lot of information about the various basic accounting lessons.
There is no end to knowledge, only a beginning. This pandemic brought so many obstacles, and one of them was the learning gap that we are currently facing. But now, as we are going back to normal, our page is our first step on reclaiming what we lost. You must keep coming up with new strategies and techniques to re-engage individuals in becoming fearless and active learners. Whatever the root causes of learning loss, we must give all students the chance to challenge themselves so that they can become their own sources of motivation for advancing their education and achieving their individual objectives.
We, as a team
of students from Vicente Malapitan Senior High School,
we are a group
that focus
on filling those learning gaps.